Hello everyone, welcome to MR.Hira channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a password for an external hard drive or flash drive without using any software. So without more talking, shall we go to the video? First, you have to connect your flash drive or external hard drive to your computer. Then go to My Computer. You can see the flash drive or external hard drive which you have already connected. Next, choose the external hard drive or flash drive which you have already connected and click the mouse right button on external hard drive or flash drive. Choose Turn on BitLocker and click on Turn on BitLocker. Put here a tick. Create here a password using numbers, letters and symbols. Re-enter the password here which you have already typed on upper column. Click on Next. Choose Save to a file. Create a name here for your BitLocker recovery key and watch here where it is going to save. Next, click on Save. Again, click on Next. In here, if you use option 1, it won't take long time. But when you use option 2, it will take long time. But option 2 is the best. I use in here option 2. After when you choose option 1 or 2, click on Next. In here, if your flash drive or external hard drive isn't a removable device, you should choose New Encryption mode. But if your device is a removable device, you have to choose Compatible mode. I use in here Compatible mode. After then, click on Next. Click on Start Encrypting. Now your flash drive or external hard drive is being encrypted. Remember, don't remove flash drive or external hard drive until finished encryption. As well, don't shut down your computer until finished encryption. This encryption might take some minutes. It depends on your computer performance and the size of the drive. After completing encryption, there will be a message that encryption is complete. Now remove your device from your computer and reconnect it. You will be able to see it has been locked completely. Try to unlock your device using the password which you created earlier. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, click like and subscribe to our channel. Have an awesome day.